video, I'm going to explain how we get you more high ticket jobs, such as crawl space encapsulation jobs, sub pump system jobs, French drains, structural repairs. And the way we do this is by building two different pipelines, one being an online presence and another being an organic local referral relationship network that would trickle in and compound over time. And so what we're trying to do is help you compete against competitors in your market who have large marketing budgets, by spending less. That way, you are making more profit, even though their revenue is higher. They're spending more money on marketing, therefore, their profit is actually lower. And so, the one thing about Google is that the bids on cost for keywords can go up. You don't have control over that. But and the way we combat that is we have the local referral networks and the relationships that we build, that compound over time, that aren't as kind of cyclical. It's not as variable, and it's more predictable, right? So we want to get rid of the unpredictable factors in the business. And so, assuming that you have a sales motion down and you're able to answer calls within 5 minutes, the local foundation plan is for you. And so what we would do for you is we would run the Google search as the local service ads, target certain keywords. An example of this would be failed inspection leads. And so this captures the motivation and the opportunity to build local relationships because you have access to two different agents who can refer you future deals, one being the buyer's agent, the second being the seller's agent, right? And so the seller is also motivated to get the job done because they have to in order to close on the property. And so both of these play into the local authority. So kind of your SEO and your proof on your website showing that you do good work. And then your landing pages. So we would optimize your Google business profile. We would do the service pages for every single service that you have that you want to rank for, that for jobs that you want more of. For example, encapsulation jobs, sub pump system jobs, structural repair jobs, right? High value jobs that bring your company and that your company is tailored around. And so we would target each location as well. So for each location, we would have service pages built for those specific locations. And then we would put the reviews and we would put the project evidence showing that you are trusted in the community. You worked with these agents before, right? You worked with these sellers, and their reputation would play into yours as well. And so that is what we're trying to build, is like organic growth as well as a scalable Google presence that would allow you to scale your business and grow exponentially, right? And so we want to avoid slow seasons as well. So with the VIP plan, we would do database reactivations where we would be able to kind of increase your jobs during slow seasons by sending nurturing, making offers, giving discounts to customers, just to get them into the door. So a common one that we might do is like a credit towards their next job, because if it's slow, it's better to have a job than to have none. And if it's a credit, then basically they have to spend it. And so, right, if they have an issue, they're going to get it resolved anyway. And so, kind of, this is what we would do for you. And if you want to see how this would apply in your market, you can click here to get your free local market plan. If not, you can click on contact us and pricing. And then the pricing, we have a video that explains the two plans and which one might be a better fit for your company. We also offer the missed call text back and an AI voice intake if you're unable to kind of answer within the 5 minutes. And we do better tracking. So if this is something you're interested, go ahead and fill out the contact us form, or do fill out the other form to kind of get your free marketing plan, and we'll see if you're a good fit for our company. Thank you.